Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today I am here with my very first Amazon pantry haul video. So I'll show you what all I have ordered during the lockdown period. So I'll just tell you, I'll open one by one boxes and I'll show you what all is there and what I have ordered. Okay, maybe the price I cannot tell you because in a bulk I have ordered. So if I'll get, I'll put in the description, and if not, then I'm so sorry. But I will tell you all the things what I ordered from Amazon, and all of the things are here. And there was one offer for a week where they have given free shipping. So if you are taking with a discount, they were giving free shipping also. So I ordered lot of things for my pantry, as well as for toiletry also. A lot of things I have bought. So let's get started. So friends, first I will be opening this one. There are two small boxes. So first I will be opening the broad one. Okay, so I will open this and I'll show you what is there inside. Okay friends, I have opened the box. I've opened the box, and as you can see, in this box I have ordered tissue paper. So it was 7 plus 3. Okay, and it was something about 12 point something dirhams. Okay, I don't know the exact price, but it was 12 point something. So here it is, and only one thing they have sent in this box. So yeah, thank you. So I'll show you. Yeah, this is the pack. As you can see, I think it's very clear to you that 5 is here and 5 is here. So it is total 10, and it was an offer, and I got something in 12 something. Okay, in dirhams. Okay. Again friend, this is a room freshener, same orange fragrance, and this is from Airwick. This was also in offer, 2 plus 1. Okay, and again this is 2 Colgate toothpaste. So I bought this. This was also in offer. Okay, and yeah, this cotton pads, it was 2 get 1 free. It was like that, and it was brand is Sanita Charms. So this was also in offer, 2 plus 1. Okay, and these are the Clorox wipes. Okay, wipes. So this I bought 2. One is a normal one, and one is a citrusy flavor, the lemon flavor. Not flavor, sorry, the fragrance. Okay, and these are the Glad bags. Bags in the sense the garbage bags. This was also in offer, so I bought in one roll. This is 30 bags. Okay, so this is total of 60 bags, and this was also in offer. Okay friends. Okay, so as I'll show you, I think I have shown this soap, 2 bar of soaps. It's the same of a Johnson brand, and one is having 6 pieces, and it was like 5 plus 1. Okay, in offer. So I bought 2. And again this room freshener and bathroom fresheners, these were in offer, and I bought 4 of these. Okay, 4 of these. And again the room freshener, I told you this was in offer, 2 plus 1. And toothpaste, and toilet cleaners, Clorox, and my cotton these are not pads, but yeah, it's a type of small round pads. Okay, so we'll go to the next box. Okay friends, this is a big box what I was telling. Now I'll be opening this one and I'll show what all Panatree items are there. Okay, so a lot of things here in this. As you can see, I feel I'll take one by one things and I'll show you what all I have ordered. Okay, so I'll place this aside and then I'll show you. Okay friends, so first, this is aluminium foil. As you can see, this was an offer, 2 plus 1. This was a bigger one. Okay, so for baking and all, for baking, roasting and everything, I bought this one, the bigger one, and even for the wrapping also. Okay, so this was in offer, that's why I bought this. But if you don't want this bigger one, there was a smaller option also, you can buy that also. This is 37.5 square feet. Okay, that much big is this. Now the next item we will go with, that is my daughter's cereals, Cheerios. So okay, so these, I don't know if I'm pronouncing well. Yeah, it's Cheerios, Ching's Hakka noodles. As you can see, this is Ching's Hakka noodles. So these are only the noodles, so no sauce, nothing, only the noodle is there. So this one packet I have ordered, and then I have ordered Maggi coconut powder. These were 2 packets, and then there is corn flour. Okay, so this I got 2 packets again, and one is of 400 gram something. Yes, one is of 400 gram. I think if camera is focusing, then it is 400 gram, if you can see. Okay, and yeah, then in every Indian family, the main basic thing, tea. Okay, so this is Tata Tea Premium. This first time I have ordered. This is I think this is black tea. Yeah, this is black tea premium. Yeah, and then yes, this is Haldiram's masala, Punjabi masala papad. This I have ordered. Yeah, this I have ordered, and this is 200 grams, as you can see. And if you can see the expiry date and everything, this is 2021 if the camera is focusing. So it is 2021, the expiry date. So things are pretty good. Okay, it's not like it is just expiring in 1 or 2 days. No, the offer was very good, so I bought this. Then this is Sivaiya or vermicelli, the fried, the roasted one. Okay, and then yes, for munching, I have ordered from Haldiram the Kerala mixture. It is not the exact flavor of authentic Kerala mixture. Then again, I have ordered the MTR vermicelli. This is not the roasted one, this is the normal one, what you use to make the vermicelli upmas, the cutlets and everything. And here, this is Eastern Kashmiri chili powder. So again here, this is a big packet of dried red chili whole. Then this is chili flakes. Actually the flakes are less, but seeds are more in this. So then this is my family favorite. Means a lot of things we made out of this. So this is the thick poha, or the rice flake, the flattened rice flakes, and this is of 500 grams. If you can see, this 500 grams. So I ordered 2 packets. It's now 1 kg. Okay, and this is corn. I bought this to make this popcorn for my daughter. So we bought 2 packets. Well, this is Bayara brand. This is actually UAE brand. Actually, basically Dubai brand. Okay, Bayara. And yeah, the same vermicelli packs again. as I told you, a lot of things are double because it was offer was like this, that if you are buying, you have to buy 2 packs. Okay, that was the offer in that. And yeah, this is fennel seed or soft. This is a 200 gram packet, and this also I think I bought 1 packet only. Sorry, this is 1 packet only. So I bought 1 packet of this, and yeah, then I bought semolina rava. This is also 1 packet, and this is actually 500 grams, so only 1 packet. Some things were like the offer was like you have to buy 2 packets, and some were like you can buy 1. So according to that, I mixed matched and I ordered. Okay friends, and this is my favorite, and this is kadumanga. And the South Indians, especially the Keralites, they might be knowing the taste. Okay, so I'm waiting to open it and eat it. Okay, leave that thing aside. And this is moong dal or yellow lentil. Okay, this I ordered 1 packet moong dal, and this is again 500 grams. So this I ordered because this was going to finish. Last but not least, friends, this is mustard oil. Actually, other oil I have taken in bulk. This was gone. Actually, this was going to finish. So I ordered this, and this is 1 liter. Okay. So I ordered this one, and Nature's, I have never used this brand. I have used other brands, so I don't know how it will be, but I'll try it. So friends, this is the overview of all the things. So I'm just showing you everything final look. Okay, so I'm giving you a final look of all the things what I bought, so you can get a more clear picture. Okay, as I'm showing you everything what all I have ordered from Amazon. So these are the things, guys.
Bye. If you like this video, like, share and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe, and stay at home and stay safe.